Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about different methods to find out the LCM. LCM means least common multiple. LCM of two or more numbers will be the smallest or the lowest common multiple of those numbers. So we can find out the LCM by using three methods. What are the methods? First is by writing the multiples. Second is by prime factorization method. And the third one is by division method. So in this video, we will learn about all these methods one by one. So let's start from the first method by writing the multiples. Usually we use this method when the numbers are smaller. For example, here the question is find LCM of 8 and 12. So you can see that the numbers are small. So we can use first method. So what we will do? We will write the multiples of these numbers. So first of all, let's begin from 8. So we will write the multiples of 8. So as you all know that how to find out the multiples. To find out the multiples, we will multiply the given numbers by the natural numbers. For example, the first multiple of 8 will be 8 times 1, 8. The second multiple will be 8 times 2, 16. Similarly, the third multiple will be 8 times 3, 24. And so on. If we will multiply 8 by 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on, we will get the multiples of 8. So we will simply write down the table of 8 here. So the multiples, first multiple is 8, then 16, then 24, 32, 40, 48, 56, 64, 72 and 80. So I am writing till here only. Now we will write the multiples of the second number, that is 12 here. So the multiples of 12, similarly we will find the multiples of 12 by the same method, by multiplying 12 by 1, 2, 3 and so on. So 12 multiplied by 1 will be 12, 12 multiplied by 2 will be 24, then 36, after that 48, then 60, 72, 84, 96, 108 and 120. Now our next step is to find out the common multiples between these two. So we will find out the common multiples. So just see, the first common multiple between these two is 24. Just circle it. 24. Now just check, the second common multiple is 48. And the third common multiple is 72. So we will write down the common multiples here. Common multiples. What are the common multiples? 24, 48, 72 and so on. If we will extend these multiples, we will get some more common multiples. Now, we will just see, we will check the lowest common multiple between these. So, it is 24 here. It is the lowest common multiple of 8 and 12. Okay, lowest or we can say smallest. So that's why the LCM will be 24 here. So the LCM of 8 and 12 is 24. Okay. Now by the same method we will do this second one. Here we have to find out the LCM of 6 and 9. So again we will use this method. So our first step is write down the multiples of the given numbers. So first I am writing the multiples of 6. It is 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Now we will write down the multiples of 9. So 9, what are the multiples? First multiple is number itself. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45, 54, 63, 72, 81 and 90. Now our next step is to find out the common multiples between these two. So we will see that 18 is the first common multiple between these two. Then as we will move further, we will see that next common multiple is 36. And after that we will find that it is 54. So these are the common multiples of 6 and 9. Now we will write down here common multiples. So what are the common multiples? These are 18, 36, 54. Okay. Now the lowest of these common multiples is, what is the lowest multiple here? It is 18. It is the smallest one among these three. So the LCM of 6 and 9 will be 18. So this was the first method to find out the LCM. It's very easy. We have to just write down the multiples of the given numbers. Then we have to find out the common multiples of the given numbers. Then between these common multiples we will check the smallest or the lowest common multiple. So that will be our LCM. Okay. Now when the numbers are bigger, that time we generally use these two methods, prime factorization method or division method. So now we will learn those methods. Now we will find out the LCM by using prime factorization method. So as it is clear by its name that in this we will do the prime factorization of the given numbers, or we will find out the prime factors of the given numbers. So first of all, let's understand that what are prime numbers. Prime numbers are the numbers which are divisible by only 1 and itself. Means the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and the number itself. So the smallest prime number is 2, then 3, then 5, then 7, then 11, 13 and so on. Now we will find out the prime factors of 24 and 56 one by one. So let's write 24 here. Now we will find out its prime factors. So as we know that 24 is divisible by 2. So we will always start dividing the given number by the lowest possible prime number. So we will start dividing 24 by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. We will get 12. 12 is again divisible by 2. So we will again divide it by 2. 2 6 are 12. Now again you can see that 6 is divisible by 2. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 3s are 6. And we will do it till we will get 1 here. So 3 1s are 3. Now similarly we will find out the prime factors of 56. Write 56 here. So again here ones place digit is 6. That's why the number is divisible by 2. So again we will do it by 2. When we will divide 56 by 2, we will get 2 2s are 4. 1 is left. We will write here 2 8s are 16. So we will get 28. Again 28 is divisible by 2. We will do it. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. Then again by 2. 2 7s are 14. And 7 is itself a prime number. It can't be divided. So 7 1 ja 7. Now we will write the prime factors of these numbers. 24 is equal to 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Similarly, we will write down the prime factors of 56. Now it is 2, 3 times 2, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 7. So 7 we can write this side. Now what we will do? First we will write down the common factors. 2 is common in these two 3 times. Okay, so we will write 2 here multiplied by, again we will write 2 one time, we will put the sign of multiplication and we will write 2 one time. Now we will find out the product of the common factor as well as the rest of the factors which are not common. So 3 is not common, so we will write 3 also multiplied by 3, and 7 is not common, so we will write 7 also. Now we will multiply these factors and we will get the LCM of 24 and 56. So let's multiply. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 is a 24 and 24 multiplied by 7, it will be 7 times 4 is 28 and 7 to the 14, 15, 16. So our answer will be 168. So LCM of 24 and 56 is 168. Okay. Similarly, we will find out the LCM of 45, 75 and 90. For this, first of all, we will find out the prime factors of these given numbers. So let's start. So first we will find out the prime factors of 45, then 75 and after that 90. Now we have 3 numbers. So 45, as at the ones place it is 5, so this number is not divisible by 2. So let's check the divisibility by 3. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is divisible by 3. So 45 will be divisible by 3. Or you can directly divide it by 5 also. So I am doing it by 3. So let's divide 45 by 3. 3 1 is 3. 1 is left. 3 5 is 15. So when we will divide 45 by 3, we will get 15. Then again we can do it by 3. 3 5 is 15. And at last 5 itself a prime number. 5 1 is 5. Similarly we will do with 75. So 75 is not divisible by 2. So we will check the divisibility by 3. 7 plus 5 is 12. So the number will be divisible by 3. So do it by 3. We will divide 75 by 3. 3 2 is 6. And 1 is left. 3 5 is 15. Okay. So when we will divide 75 by 3, we will get quotient as 25. Now we can divide it by 5. 5 5 is 25. And at last 5 1 is 5. So these are the prime factors of 75. Now we will do it. Now we will do for 90. So 90 is divisible by 3. Again 3 3 is 9. And we will write 0 as it is. Then 30 is again divisible by 3. 10 times we will get 10. Then we can divide 10 by 2. 2 5 is 10. And at last we will get 5. 5 1 is 5. So these are the prime factors of 90. So let's write the prime factors of 45. These are 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. Okay. Now we will write the prime factors of 75. These are 3 multiplied by 5. So 5 we will write here under this and multiplied by 5. Okay. Now the third one is prime factors of 90 are 3 multiplied by 3. So 3 we will write under this. Then multiplied by 2. 2 is not here. So I am writing 2 here separately. And multiplied by 5. So 5 I am writing under 5. Okay. Now what we have to do? We have to find out the common factors. 3 is common in all these 3 and 5 is also common. And here again you can see that 3 is common in 2 numbers. So we will write it only one time. So 3 is common in all 3 numbers, we will write it one time. Here again 3 is common but in only 2 numbers. So here also we will write 3 one time. And here 5 is common. We will write 5 one time. So what we have to do? We have to multiply the common factors as well as the factors which are not common. So 5 is not common. We will bring it down. Multiplied by 5. And 2 is also not common. So we will write this also. Okay. So when we will multiply all these, we will get the LCM of 45, 75 and 90. So let's multiply these. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Okay. 45 2s are 90. And 90 multiplied by 5. We will get 5 9s are 45. So the answer will be 450. Okay. We multiplied like this. See, 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. Then instead of multiplying 45 by 5, I multiplied it by 2. 45 2s are 90. Then our multiplication will become easier. 95s are 450. So our LCM will be 450. Now we will learn about division method to find out the LCM. So it's very easy. Let's start. Question is find LCM of 16 and 36. So here we will write both the numbers in a line separating them by comma. Now we will find out the prime factors of these numbers. Okay. So first of all, start dividing the given number by the smallest possible prime number. So you can see 16 and 36. Both are divisible by 2 here. So we will divide 16 and 36 by 2. 2 8 ja 16, we will get 8 here. And when we will divide 36 by 2, we will get 18. 2 1 ja 2, 1 is left, 2 8 ja 16. Now again 8 and 18 are divisible by 2. So we will divide it by 2. 2 4 ja 8 and 2 9 ja 18. Now 4 is divisible by 2 but 9 is not divisible by 2. So we will divide 4 only. 2 2s are 4 and 9 we will write as it is. The number which is not divisible, that we will write as it is. Now again we will divide it by 2. 2 1 ja 2 and here we will write 9 as it is. Now 9 is divisible by 3. So 3 3s are 9 and we will divide till we will get 1 here. 1 we will write as it is and 3 1 ja 3. So the LCM of 16 and 36 will be the product of these factors. Now we will multiply all this and we will get the LCM. So it will be 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 is coming 4 times and 3 is coming 2 times. Now just find the product of these. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 3s are 48 and 48 multiplied by 3. We will get 3 8 ja 24, we will write 4, 2 we will write here and 3 4 ja 12, 12 plus 2 is 14. So the LCM of 16 and 36 will be 144. Okay. Now by the same method we will find out the LCM of 48, 64 and 72. Here 3 numbers are given but the method will be same. So we will write all the three numbers in a line, separating them by comma. 48, 64 and 72. And we will start dividing them by the smallest possible prime number. And we can see that at the ones place it is 8, here 4 and here 2. So all three numbers are divisible by 2. So we will start dividing by 2. 2, when we will divide 48, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. We will get 24 as quotient. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. We will get 32 as a quotient, and here 2 3s are 6, 1 is left, 2 6s are 12. Now again these three numbers are divisible by 2. We will again divide by 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Then 2 1s are 2 and 2 6s are 12, because 16 2s are 32. And here we will get 2 1s are 2 and 2 8s are 16. 18 2s are 36. Okay. So these are the quotient that we get. Again we will divide them by 2, because 12, 16 and 18, all three numbers are divisible by 2. So 2 6 are 12, 2 8 are 16 and 2 9 are 18. Now you will see that only these two numbers are divisible by 2 and this number is not divisible by 2. So we will write this number as it is and we will divide these two by 2. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 9 we will write as it is. Now we can again divide by 2. 3 we will write as it is now, because 3 is not divisible by 2, and here we will divide it. 2 2s are 4 and 9 we will write as it is. Now 3 and 9 both are divisible by 3, so we can divide it by 3. 3 1s are 3, 2 we will write as it is, and 3 3s are 9. Again, now we will do it by 2. So we will do this till we will get 1 here at the bottom. So 2 1s are 2 and only 3 is left. So we will do it by 3 only. 1 as it is, 1 as it is, and 3 1s are 3. Okay. So now the LCM will be the product of these factors. So we will multiply this. Now let's write this. LCM will be the product of the factors. 2 is coming 5 times still here. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Then 3. Then again 2. And again 3. Now let's multiply these. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 2s are 32. Okay, so let's write 32 here. Multiplied by 3 2s are 6 and 6 3s are 18. Now we will multiply these 2. 32 multiplied by 18. 18 2s are 36. We will write 6 here and 3 we will carry. Then 18 3s are 54. 54 plus 3, 55, 56 and 57. So the product of all these factors will be 576. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to just write down the given numbers in a line and separate the given numbers by a comma. Then start dividing by the lowest possible prime number. Then do this till we will get 1. Divide the numbers till we will get 1 at the bottom. Then multiply all the factors and we will get the LCM of given numbers. So I hope that now you understood that how to find out the LCM by using all three methods, by writing the multiples, by using prime factorization method and by using division method. So friends, if you like this video then please share it and subscribe to my channel for more videos and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. See you in the next video with a new concept. Till then, goodbye. Take care.